Thomas and Friends engine roll calls Blue Orchard.
Fuck you.
He's the cheeky one. He's vain but lots of fun.
Percy,
Pulls a medal time.
Gordon,
Thunders down the line.
Emily,
Really knows her stuff.
Henry,
Toots and huffs and puffs.
Edward,
Wants to help and share.
Jamie.
Well, let's say he's square.
They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight. Shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play. Round Tidmouth Shed so far away. Down the hills and round the bend. Thomas and his friends.
うるれなアーカイブ